What's up, everybody? We are on the... Don't fucking push me into the puddle, you fuck. What's up, everybody? We left the biohacking conference and now trying not to get run over in St. Augustine.
I hate to say this, but Kristyna, could you get in the frame? Sorry.
And can you not push me into the mud anymore?
You ate. Why are you such a pain in the ass? You're not hungry anymore.
How would you feel if I pushed you into a fucking puddle?
You sprayed me on the dick.
That was water.
Yeah, that's also water.
What's up, everybody? I'm here with my pain in the ass colleague.
You're welcome.
We're in St. Augustine, picking up a quick vlog. We had a phenomenal time at the biohacking conference in Orlando. We made a quick pit stop in St. Augustine, the oldest city in America, apparently. And we're here to do some crazy shit here, so we're gonna scope it out. Architecture, stores, shops, good ice cream. We definitely need to get some ice cream. God, I hate doing vlogs with Christina.
Look at that. That's waiting there for you.
Yeah, love that.
OMG! Oh my God! Let's go!
Producers' dogs get special treatment. Long walks on the beach, fetch. Beach is gorgeous. It's pristine. And the water temperature's gotta be like 75 degrees. It's unbelievable. That's Sammy. And that's Luna. Catch it, Christina. Come on!
If you catch that dog, I'll give you $100. I'll give you $1,000 if you can catch her. Yeah, go for it. See, she's like a linebacker. He'll never catch her.
Oh, he's done.
$1,000 if you can catch this dog. Come on, man. You just lost $1,000 to a dog. How does it feel to lose $1,000 to a dog?
Founded in 1565 by Spanish explorers, St. Augustine is the oldest continuously inhabited European-established settlement in the continental United States.
What is that? What's up, Far Out with Faust producer?
What's happening, kids?
Explore the oldest masonry fort in the continental United States. For hundreds of years, Castillo de San Marcos has watched over St. Augustine. From the upper gun deck, see how this massive fort guarded the harbor entrance to protect St. Augustine.
All right, put the stick down just for a second. Who's telling us what to do? I'm the director of fools. You know how much I get paid to do real stuff? This is a favor. Just ask this guy a bunch of questions. He looks really interesting.
What's up, man?
How you doing, guys?
Hey,
Good. Is this really the oldest town in America?
Yeah. The oldest masonry fort in the city itself, St. Augustine, yes, sir.
Wow. go. It says keep off moat stairs, but I don't see any moat.
Can you guys say something clever? Like,
I just did, motherfucker.
all right, you don't need to do that. I'm doing it.
All right.
Yeah.
You need to speak it to go inside.
Whoa! That was awesome. Where were they hiding? Are they coming back? Yay! Is it made out of shells? You see? Here's a shell here. It's all built in, it looks like. Look, here. They're everywhere.
Imagine the storms that this fort has endured over 400 years. It's pretty inspiring in that way, because it is here to stay.
Hi, pizza. You want some free samples? Hi,
Hey.
There you go, brother.
Slow down.
Sorry,
Do you
man.
see me where I am? Are you at all observant of your camera? Sorry guys, I'm really hungover. I lost my
Ready to go. Our producer's
last
high
5
and
things.
hungover.
I'm very hungover. We had, what did we have last night? I had 4 mezcal shots, 3 beers, 2 glasses of wine, and he had way more than me.
Lying.
What for my daddy-o? What for my daddy-o? There's whiskey in the jar.
How many ice cream places are we gonna walk by? Let's find an ice cream place. Found it, right there. See it?
Dude, it's Zoltar from the movie Big.
Awesome.
Wish to be big.
That doesn't look like Zoltar.
Yeah, it's Zoltar.
That's the Mexican Zoltar.
During the early to mid 19th century, St. Augustine was home to an open market pavilion where men, women, and children of color were sold as slaves.
This is where they used to sell slaves.
Yeah. There's a little sign that says
That's
market.
Fubar that this is still standing.
I feel weird just standing here.
Yeah, this has got some serious dank energy. I just can't believe that this thing is still standing. I mean, they're tearing down Jefferson's statue and they're leaving this fucking thing up. It doesn't say shit about slaves.
Huh. It's just spoiling marketplace.
That's the reason
all.
why it's still standing.
That's the reason, really.
Because it doesn't say shit about what it used to actually be for.
Though it has been rebranded many times, locals and the pages of history know it more commonly as the slave market.
That's why it's still standing. It's dedicated to those who participated in the civil rights movement. That's so clever.
It is, right?
That's where they used to fucking sell slaves. How Fubar is that?